LMS online classes. This is for BCom 5th semester's Principles and Practice of Editing. This is the fourth session of the first module. In this session, we are going to discuss about meaning of accounting and bookkeeping and the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So in the previous session, we have discussed about meaning of errors and frauds and different types of errors and frauds, and also different modes of frauds. Today, first let us discuss about bookkeeping. Yes, my dear students, I hope that in the PUC first year, in accountancy, and in the BCom first year in financial accounting, in the first chapter, you might have studied what is bookkeeping as well as what is accounting. As you know that bookkeeping is an art and science of recording business transactions systematically in set of books in accordance with principles of bookkeeping. It means that this process of bookkeeping includes a recording of day-to-day business transactions systematically in a specified books, that is to summarize business performance and post them into the ledger. So we can say it is an art of recording day-to-day transactions systematically, scientifically, in accordance with principles of bookkeeping. This is known as bookkeeping. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೈನಂದಿನ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ರಮಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಕ್ಕಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ನಿಯಮಗನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ನ ಆಧರಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಅಂತಿಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್? So accounting is a process of ensuring correctness of bookkeeping and preparation of final account. That is preparation of trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So in the bookkeeping, we are going to record the business transactions, but we are not going to summarize the transactions. We are not going to make any final statement. For that, we have to prepare final accounts. For example, by preparing a profit and loss account, at the end of the year, we come to know what is our real profit. By preparing the balance sheet, we come to know what is our financial condition. So that is why accounting is must. That provide the basic information for the business or for the proprietor. ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಹಣ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿದಂಥ ಮಾಲೀಕನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಈ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅಂಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಪ್ರೈಟರ್ that capital has been properly used. All business transactions have been correctly recorded and the profit and loss account has prepared as per the rules applicable and shown the correct profit of business. And also the balance sheet has been prepared systematically. That balance sheet aims to reflect the financial position of the business. So that is why accounting is begins where bookkeeping ends. So work of an accountant start when the work of bookkeeper ends. So accounting is concerned with checking the work of bookkeeper. As we know that the bookkeeper is not so a specified person, qualified person. There might be some mistakes or errors. So that has to be checked by the accountant. Along with that, he is going to make adjustment and rectify the errors if any. And he is going to prepare the final, that is trial balance. With that, he is going to prepare the final account. ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾತೆಗಳ ಅಂತಿಮ ಶುಲ್ಕವನ್ನು ಲೆಜ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಲೆಜ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫೈನಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಪರ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕೇವಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ತಾವು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ಅಂತಿಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಾಲೀಕರು ಷೇರುದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಡಳಿತಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಭ ನಷ್ಟ ಖಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿಯನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ us discuss the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. No doubt with the help of the above discussion, we will find that, or we can conclude that there is a lot of difference between bookkeeping and accounting. What is that difference? First, nature, Swarupa. Here, the nature of bookkeeping is concerned with mere recording business transactions. He is just going to record the business transactions with the help of evidences or vouchers provided by the concerned authority in the ledgers or journals. Whereas the work or nature of accountant is concerned with preparation of final account, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, which can be prepared with the help of balance sheet provided by the bookkeeper while preparing the various ledgers. Next, scope, Vyapti. Bookkeeping, the work of bookkeeping is very limited. The scope of bookkeeping is limited, narrow, whereas the work or the scope of accounting is a wide. Limited in the sense he is just going to record the transaction, that's all. He doesn't take any other part of it. Whereas the work of accounting is not only preparation of final accounts, but also finding the correctness or trueness of the books of accounts, and also preparation of final accounts, then analysis of the final accounts. So the work of an accounting is a wide. So that is why we are saying that accountant must be a qualified person. He must possess all knowledge of accounting. He must know the principles of accounting. Then work, as I told you that the work of bookkeeper is only recording the transaction in ledgers, journals, whereas the work of accounting is preparation of the final accounts, along with that checking the work which has been done by the bookkeeper. That is why we are saying that the work of accounting begins when the work of bookkeeping ends. He is superior over the bookkeeper. Knowledge. As the bookkeeper work is very limited, as he is only concerned with recording the transaction, he is not in need of depth knowledge of accounting. A limited knowledge is necessary, but no need to have all or depth knowledge in accounting. Whereas, as the work of accounting is wide in nature, as it is complicated in nature, which requires depth knowledge of accounting. Next, work of nature. The work of bookkeeper is a practical. He is going to record the transactions with the help of evidences in the ledgers. Whereas the work of accounting is practical as well as theoretical. Theoretical in the sense he need to possess all theoretical knowledge of accounting before he is going to start the work of accounting. So that is why the work of accounting is theoretical as well as practical. Control. The bookkeeper works under the supervision and control or direction of accountant. As we know that this bookkeeper doesn't possess a deep knowledge of accounting, so he is always under the guidance, supervision and direction of the accountant, whereas that of accountant do not work under the supervision and direction of bookkeeper. He is superior over the bookkeeper. Next, checking. The work of this bookkeeping doesn't involve any checking of documents. He is going to record the transaction, prepare the ledgers. He is not going to check the truthness of the transaction. Whereas the work of accountant involve checking of the transactions which have been recorded by the bookkeeper. So that is why we can conclude that there is a lot of difference between bookkeeping and accounting. With this, we can conclude today about the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. In the next session, we can discuss about a difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Thank you, one and all.